Hey, welcome to Luke's Facebook Live. It is the first Wednesday of the month, so as you know, we are here to tell you about what's coming up in terms of classes and talk a little bit about what's been going on in the store. So that's what we're doing. Alexis, once again, I asked the age-old question, is anyone listening, or am I again talking to myself?
You're talking to yourself right now.
Oh, God. Not that I'm opposed, but golly. Okay. I'm not going to, babble too much then until we've got at least a couple of people listening.
Tomorrow's Groundhog Day.
Tomorrow is Groundhog Day. I love that movie.
It's a great movie.
It's a great movie. It's a great movie. I love it. They were going through the weather forecast this morning with all the groundhogs all across the country about whether there would be sunny or shady, cloudy, etc. And I think most of them say 6 more weeks. Sorry about your luck. I did see some good, Kathleen, I did see there were some good groundhog embroidery designs out there. I don't know that I have time necessarily to make something for Groundhog's Day. It's one of those minor holidays, but I don't know. Maybe I'll have time tomorrow.
I'm trying to remember. I think the Anita Good 365 program.
It does. That's where I saw them.
Yeah, had it.
Yep, yep. And who doesn't want to embroider a good groundhog? That's what I say. That or barbecue one. Maybe not. Alexis is shaking her head. She's never had. Don't frown about it until you've tried it. I'm kidding. I've never had groundhog. It was a long day. We had a class today, and it was very, very long. I'm just my energy level is, and nobody's listening anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Oh, you've got 6 people listening.
Oh, did they hear about the groundhog? Oh, Lord. Okay. Got 6 people listening. All right, no more groundhog jokes. Okay. So I guess I'll start by saying that I'm pouting. Like that. I do have my shirt on. My Bengals support shirt. But I'm pouty. I'm a Bengals fan. And you also know, if you remember from last year, my husband promised me ballroom dance lessons if the Bengals won the Super Bowl. Well, I'm already out. Done. So kind of sad about that. I'm really sad because football season for us is kind of over. I mean, we'll watch the Super Bowl, but it's just not the same.
Maybe next year.
Maybe next year. Well, you never know. It's kind of hard to get back to the Super Bowl. But anyway, so I'm kind of pouting about that, but I'll get over it. I did make this great shirt, though. You should call and ask the technique of how to get this because it really is kind of fun to do. So I can talk about that. I think at this point, Alexis, if you're going to give me the nod, I'm going to go ahead and move forward with my presentation. I also feel a sneeze coming on. That's going to be great. Sorry. Maybe not.
Wheel on out if you have to sneeze.
When I sneeze, it's like 8 times. So I'm trying to acupressure to stop it. All right. So first thing we want to talk about is upcoming classes in Ellesmere. We have something called Monsterific with Mickey Hudson. And now I am going to sneeze. Excuse me.
Change the picture. Monsterific. All right, I'm back.
Bless you.
So here's the picture.
Good. So actually my timing was good. I sneezed and the monsters came up. So as you can see here, there are all kinds of monsters and they have different faces and things and different textures on the fabrics that are making them. So Mickey Hudson, who's a great Viking educator, is coming in for 2 days. And you pick one day, you come in and do your project, and your class fee includes the kit to make the monster. And you will also be able to customize the face on your monster. Okay, which will be kind of fun, and sew the monster out. Now, Luke's is also providing the machines for class, so you don't have to bring your machine in, which is huge. So I think it'll be a fun class. I'm sure there's going to be lots of laughter and levity. I'm actually going to be down in Ellesmere facilitating the class, which means somebody has trouble, has a question, I'm there to help. I love to do that. So much fun. Mickey is a lot of fun too. So sign up for the Monsterific class. We are only taking, I believe it is 10 people per day. I'm pretty sure it's 10 people a day. And the cost of the class, I believe, is $29.95.
Even better, $24.95.
$24.95. And I mentioned 2 important points. I'm going to say again. Luke's is providing the machine, so you don't have to bring your machine in. And that includes the kit to make your monster. Okay, so I think that'll be kind of a fun thing to do. Like I said, I'll be there to have some fun. provide some laughter, some stand up. You know how that goes. So that'll be good.
Call the Ellesmere store to sign up.
Yes, good point. Call Ellesmere to sign up. Okay. In Tri-County, this Saturday, which is February 4th, which is the first Saturday of the month, is Sit and Sew. Now, last month for Sit and Sew, I had, how many people did I have, Alexis?
You had like 12.
It was like 12 people showed up, which is fabulous. But all we ask is please just give us a call so we can have seating prepared, okay? And also so we have a number of people that we need to provide refreshments for, okay? We had a lot of fun, a lot of laughter. Everybody brings their machine, their project to work on. I'm here to assist. We had everything from embroidery, sewing, quilting, all kinds of things. So a lot of fun. That's this Saturday. Please come and join me. I'll be here to proctor the event. All right. February 9th, which is a Thursday, is our Love Note wall hanging. And are you going to talk about that?
Go ahead.
Okay. So this is kind of a cute little project. Alexa, I need you to make sure that it's showing, that I'm holding it up and it's showing. Mm-hmm. Does it show on the camera?
Yes.
Okay. So this is our little February Valentine's Day wall hanging. If you look at it, it's really cute. It looks like an envelope, okay, with the heart in it. So it's kind of a fun thing to make. It is all sewing. It has a modest amount of fabric that you need to bring. And Kathleen will be here to guide you through the steps to make that. I think this would be a cute thing to hang on the wall for the month. Kind of a fun little project. It's also a great way to come and meet some of the lovely Luke's ladies that we have here taking classes. So again, it's February 9th. And cost on that is
$29.95.
$29.95.
And,
okay.
The pre-work email will go out
Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning, the pre-work will go out, and that means how much fabric you need and having some things pre-cut so that the class moves smoothly. Okay, so that'll be good. So if you're interested, call in. Okay, call in today, call in tomorrow. February 9th, today is the first, so that's next Thursday. Okay. My Punny Valentine, that class is locked and loaded. Just wanted to let you know that we've got people doing it. That is a Kimberbell event, and Kathleen highlighted that last month. That comes with a really cute ombre apron with designs on it. It comes with some of the card holder designs, and then also the eyeglass case. So really, really fun. It's a Kimberbell event. And the class, or I should the event, includes all the supplies to make all of the projects. So just wanted to remind those of you that are signed up, okay, when it is, which is February 11th, starts at 11 o'clock.
Saturday. Yeah.
And that's a Saturday class. So for you working gals, okay, we're trying to have more things, more events for you to be able to attend. Let's see. February 15th, that is VIP Club Night. That's been a tradition here at Luke's for a long, long time, and it will be from 6 to 8. Refreshments and desserts will be served, and the presentation this time is you. So bring what you've been working on that you're delighted with. So if you've made a quilt or finished a wall hanging or done some embroidery or a project, bring it to share and show the group. So it's going to be a really extended show and tell. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're also going to play a game. This is a no-cost event. So please call. That's the only thing we ask is please call so we can make sure we've got enough seats arranged and also we have enough refreshments so everyone can enjoy the event. And that is, again, February 15th, and that is a Wednesday. Kimberbell Monthly. I'm going to let Kathleen talk about that. Oh, here you go.
Hi there. So this month is the little bench buddy called So Lucky. And we'll be doing this via Zoom on the 16th, 11 o'clock in the morning. There's still time to sign up for this. You'll receive the instructions and the stitch file in an email link, and we'll send you the Zoom link for that event. Now, if you can't participate on the Zoom at that 11 o'clock time, we do record the class, so you can receive the recording after the fact and still participate in that design. So give us a call if you want to participate in this. And then, do you want me to go ahead and do the next month?
Which
sneak
is,
preview?
yes, please.
And a sneak preview for March. are these really adorable mug rugs. There's two sizes. There's the small traditional size that comes out about 4 by 6-ish, and then the much larger mug rug size, and they've got silhouette rabbits on them, so it's called Bunny Silhouette Mug Rug. This will be on the 23rd of March, a week later than our traditional time for that.
Does look like Peeps.
Yeah, kind of like the Peeps, the little marshmallow Peeps.
Now
Yeah.
the flowers that are embroidered on the bunnies, that little
Yeah.
is that included in the design?
Yeah, it's all in the design.
That's cute.
Isn't that? You know,
That
and it
is very
says Happy
cute.
Easter on it, so
love it.
you'll be ready for sticking these in somebody's Easter basket. Back to Brenda.
Excellent. I'll be making that for sure. I know. I made the February one with the little penguin and the mittens. It was really cute. Made that as a mug rug for my mom, so I know I'll be
Oh,
making
the December
that
one,
too.
last December's December
It
demo.
was right, the So
December
Cozy.
demo.
That's what it was. Really cute. So much fun to do. Let's see. Now, the next thing that we want to talk about is a class that Anne with an E, that's what we lovingly call her because she's special, is doing. And this is really kind of fun. This is a Quilt Issue Go wine tote. So the thing that's fun about this is the pattern is printed on the batting. You bring your strips of fabric, you sew them down, flip them over to give yourself a finished edge, and then after you have that panel sewn down, then it's sewn into the wine tote. Now the thing that's fun about that is the kit that's included with the class comes with 3 different wine totes. So I think that'll be a lot of fun. You can make these, give them away as gifts. I think that would be a lot of fun. I'm actually going to do this, so I think it's going to be a lot of fun. And that's with Anne. That is February 24th on a Friday. Cost of the class is
$29.95.
$29.95.
That pattern.
And it includes the package of batting with the pattern built into it. So I think that's going to be a lot of fun. Won't take long either. So I mean, I've looked at this. So I'm kind of excited about that. Okay. That about covers it in terms of events and classes, Alexis, unless you can think of something that I've left out.
No, I think you've got it. We're working on planning March. If anybody has any requests on what they'd like to see.
Now, one thing I know we are doing for March, and I should have brought, I didn't bring a sample. We did the rope bowl class, and we did that in January. We did it on a Saturday. Unbelievable class. Everyone was so excited. Everyone finished one project. Most of them finished 2 projects. Everyone was excited about it. We're having an encore class March 11th, another rope bowl class. I have a waiting list. And Alexis said I've got enough people that she's thinking about scheduling a 3rd. Lot of fun. Look on our Facebook, Sewing Made Simple. That's where we posted it, right? The Sewing Made Simple page on our Facebook page to see the picture of all the ladies with the projects they made. This is fun. We had a blast. Everyone is. They immediately went home and said, "I can't wait. I can't wait. I want to make more." And the class includes a book, which is nice also for techniques and additional projects. So that one, the encore is March 11th, and Alexis says that I've got enough people to schedule a 3rd, which we love to do. Only other thing to report is we had a great software class today. We were talking about some digitizing, some beginning things, and I think people really enjoyed that. We're hoping that we can start doing a little bit more of that. We'll see. That depends on Genevieve and Alexis. And I think other than that, I think we are about done. Anything else? No? Okay. So my tagline, until next time, it's Brenda with Luke's.